Hello, I am Steve Ketchum, Technical Director for Environmental Systems at NAG Marine. This video will demonstrate cell cleaning. Included in your kit with the TD107 are items you will need. Your accessory kit containing syringes and brushes and caps. Your check solution to determine if the TD107 is still within calibration standards, and your cleaning detergent. This is a mild, environmentally friendly detergent. These are the items you will use for cell cleaning. Stop your separator. Place the maintenance valve in the maintenance position. Note: cell condition and parts per million display appear. Remove the sample cap. Place it aside. Take cleaning solution and draw it into the syringe. Insert the syringe and screw it onto the cell cleaning fitting. Inject approximately 50 milliliters of cleaning solution into the cell. As the fluid is injected, the water in the cell will be pushed out. Use the brush provided. Insert the brush into the top fitting for scrubbing the sample cell. Use an up and down motion scrubbing the sample cell. Do not use any other brushes. Other types of brushes may damage the quartz sample cell. You will note that the cell condition and ppm display are erratic while you are brushing the sample cell. This is of no consequence. After approximately a minute, stop brushing. Remove the brush from the sample cell. Along with the accessories in the TD107 box, a carboy is provided for distilled clean fresh water, which is your zero solution. A cap is provided to attach the syringe to the carboy. This will be used to draw out your zero solution or your clean fresh water. Having cleaned the cell, reinstall your sample cell cleaning cap. It does not need to be over torqued. Take your zero water that you just got out of your carboy, insert the syringe, inject the clean water into the sample cell. As you inject the clean water into the sample cell, you are displacing the previous cleaning solution water. You will have to do this 2 to 3 times to ensure all of the detergent is removed. Inject your clean water slowly. Note that the cell condition goes to 100% and your ppm level is between 0 and 5 ppm allowable. In this case, cell condition is 100% with a 0.1 ppm. Your unit is ready to operate. Remove the syringe from the sample cell. Place the handle in the operate position. The display will change to ppm and TD107. Your unit is ready to run. This completes detergent cleaning and zero check of the sample cell.